In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Outlook email as PDF. Saving an email as a PDF is a quick way to archive a message. Attach it to a project or share a clean, read-only copy. I'll walk you through both New Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then the classic Outlook desktop app. So use the part that matches what you see on your screen. First, New Outlook or Outlook on the web. Start by opening the email you want to keep. With the message open in the reading pane, look for the three dots labeled More Actions near the top of the message. Click that to open the menu, then choose Print. This opens your browser or app's print window with a preview of the message. In that window, find the destination or printer setting and change it to Save as PDF. You should now see the preview update to a PDF layout. When everything looks correct in the preview, click Save. You'll be prompted to choose a location and a file name. Pick a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name and confirm the save. That's it. The PDF version of your email is created. Now, the classic Outlook desktop app. Open the email you want to convert so it has focus. Go up to the File menu and select Print. In the Print pane, look under Printer and select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list. This built-in option creates a PDF instead of sending the job to a physical printer. Next, click Print. Windows will ask where you want to save the file. Choose your folder, name the file, and save. In a moment, your PDF is ready in the location you selected. Whether you are on New Outlook, Outlook on the web, or the classic desktop app, the steps are simple. Thanks for watching.